Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change the audio output on the Onn TV. So head over to your Onn TV, make sure you're home and you have all your navigation enabled with your remote. Now you're going to go to quick settings. This should be straight and simple. Under quick settings, go down to audio output. Click on this and you can choose the device from which your output is going to be directed to. So you could change the audio output to any device. It could be an external device. You could just click here to connect another device, maybe a Bluetooth speaker. Pair here. Make sure the device is discoverable under the pair mode, and then you find it here. Click on the device, and straightforward you pair the device, and you have that new audio device as your audio output. So that's how you change your audio output. If you found that insightful, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.